Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable hot cocoa mug. We debated in my mentorship group if I should add a drip or not, and I'm still so torn, but for now I just loved the simplicity, so I kept it as is. We're going to start off with a magnolia mug from Tipsy Magnolia. If you check the description down below, I have a discount code for you. And I took this hot cocoa vinyl and I cut it a little bit shorter than the distance, the length, I guess I should say, of the tumbler. I'm going to line up this vinyl where I would like it placed on my mug. Then I'm just going to grab a magic marker and give myself a couple little marks where it lines up with the handle. Then we are going to take some scissors and just give us about maybe a 1/4 inch, a heavy 1/4 inch slit where the handle would go. I'm going to fold back the backing of my vinyl, maybe about a 1/2 inch to an inch, and then I'm going to tack that down, making sure it's straight on my mug. And where we have those 2 little slits, we also want to make sure those are lined up with the handle. We're going to manipulate that vinyl around the handle by just giving it a little pull and a tug, making sure it's smooth as you can get it on your tumbler. If the vinyl starts folding up on the handle, that's fine. We're just going to cut that excess away with an X-Acto knife. Now we're going to remove a little bit more of the backing of our vinyl, and from here it should go on fairly smooth. I'm just going to lightly push in the crease where it meets up between the vinyl and the tumbler, take a vinyl squeegee and push it on firmly. You want to make sure there are no bubbles or wrinkles at this point. Where we have made it all the way around our tumbler and we're back at that handle, we're just going to remove the rest of the backing of the vinyl, and then we're going to grab our scissors and make 2 slits until you touch the tumbler. Then we're going to manipulate those sections around the handle like we did previously and cut off any excess. We are now going to grab some painter's tape and we are just going to tape off around the base where our vinyl is. And then once that is taped off, we're going to base paint the bottom of our tumbler with a color of paint that is fairly close to your glitter choice. Let your paint fully dry. Then we're going to go back over that section with your favorite glitter glue. I'm using Tumbler Epoxy's Epoxy Seal today. It's my very, very favorite. It's thick and it has just an amazing adhesion, way better than anything I've ever found on the market. Then we're going to grab our glitter, and today we're going to be using Saturated for the base of this tumbler. Coat that glue section and then go ahead and remove your tape. Now I'm going to take some double-sided tape and giving myself a gap in between that base glitter color and this tape so I can see some of that hot cocoa vinyl peeking through. We're gonna wrap that all the way around the base of our tumbler. Then we're gonna take the top of the tape off, exposing the the cover sheet, whatever you want to call that. And then we're going to take the glitter color dipped and apply it to that tape. We're going to just sprinkle it on, and I like to just rub mine in really softly. I don't want to burnish it too much or it will lay flat and just look shiny. I want to still have the glitter effect. Now I'm going to apply a thinner piece of double-sided tape right above that dipped glitter. After we have that wrapped all the way around our tumbler, we're going to do the same thing by removing that little cover sheet. And this time we're going to take the glitter color Breezy and rub that in. Pick one of your glitter colors from your tumbler and we are going to coat it on the handle. I went with the glitter color Saturated. I felt like that would look the most cohesive with my design. So I'm just gonna base paint this in the same color we base painted the bottom, and then I will let that dry, go over it with my glitter glue, and then sprinkle on the glitter color Saturated. Spray seal your glitter sections really, really well and then let it dry completely. Then take your tumbler back over to your turner and add a layer of epoxy. And here is our cute hot cocoa mug all finished. I don't know why, I just fell in love with this simple design. You guys can add a drip or a decal if you would like, but I just loved the simplicity. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.